Looking for a high-performance laptop that blends serious power with premium features? The Dell G16 7630 delivers just that. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This laptop is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease, thanks to its cutting-edge 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900HX processor that clocks up to 5.4 GHz. Whether you're editing large files, working with advanced software, or multitasking between projects, it's built to keep up without breaking a sweat. At the core of its performance is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 8GB of DDR5 RAM. This fully powered GPU ensures incredible visual performance, fast rendering, and smooth workflows, making it ideal for creators and power users alike. With ray tracing, DLSS3, and AI-enhanced features, you get an experience that's not only powerful but also visually immersive. The display is a major highlight of the Dell G16. Featuring a 16-inch QHD Plus panel with a 2560 by 1600 resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, and 3 milliseconds response time, this PureSight screen guarantees ultra-smooth visuals and crisp clarity. Whether you're streaming, editing media, or simply enjoying your favorite content, the display quality stands out with vibrant detail and fluid motion. Memory and storage are equally impressive. It comes with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, ensuring lightning-fast boot times, efficient app launches, and seamless data handling. This combination offers more than enough capacity and speed for most professional tasks, with the flexibility to upgrade if needed. For productivity, the Dell G16 runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to enhanced features and enterprise-grade security. In addition, it includes a lifetime license for Microsoft Office 2024, providing all essential tools for work, school, or personal use permanently and at no extra cost. Other thoughtful features include a backlit keyboard for low-light environments, HD audio for clear sound, and a package of included accessories that add extra value. It's all housed in a sleek black chassis that looks as good as it performs. If you're in the market for a future-proof powerhouse with professional-level specs and added software value, the Dell G16 7630 is a solid investment. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.